Hello guys, in today's video, we're gonna check out the 5 best Vitamix blenders in the market for this year. I made this based on my personal opinion and I try to list them based on a price, quality, durability, and more information about these best Vitamix blenders. You can check out the description below, so let's get started. Number 5. Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. One of the smartest of the Vitamix blenders, this blender has 5 pre-programmed settings to perfectly blend smoothies, make hot soups, puree baby food and frozen desserts, and clean itself. It also pairs with the Vitamix Perfect Blend app, which has 17 different programs and includes more than 500 recipes. The app is compatible with both iOS and Android devices, and can also work with the Perfect Blend Pro Smart Scale for precise measuring as you cook. The motor base has wireless connectivity, so it can read the size of the container that is in use and adjust the program settings and blending times appropriately. It comes with a 64-ounce container, but other compatible containers are available separately. An integrated timer turns the blender off when time runs out, so you can walk away and know that you've blended for exactly the right time. The intuitive controls are a touchscreen for a sleek appearance and easy cleaning. Like other Vitamix blenders, this one has variable speed controls as well as a pulse button for ultimate control of everything you blend. Number 4. Vitamix Professional Series 750 Blender. This blender makes things easy with 5 preset programs for cleaning, smoothie making, frozen desserts, hot soup, and pureeing. When you don't want to use a preset, you can choose your own speed or use the pulse feature for chunky blending. Think chunky tomato sauce or salsa, or finer control. The low-profile 64-ounce container will fit neatly under most kitchen cabinets for easy countertop storage. The tamper, which is included with all Vitamix blenders, is designed to move food around without getting in the way of the blades, so it can be used when the blender is running. This excelled in our lab tests, blending an A-rated smoothie with a very smooth texture. When it came to making peanut butter, our testers found that the wide and large container is best suited for larger batches. If you know you'll be frequently blending up small quantities, there is a compatible 32-ounce container sold separately that will be best suited for those recipes. Number 3. Vitamix VM19007 Explorian Blender. Vitamix blenders are the cream of the crop, and are priced as such. Even so, you can get their top-quality blending power for a little less money by choosing a model with fewer bells and whistles, like this one. Operation is easy, with a variable speed dial, an on-off toggle, and a pulse toggle, so you can do your blending exactly the way you want. The blender includes a 48-ounce pitcher that's on the smaller side, but still large enough for most recipes, and certainly enough for your breakfast smoothies or slushy cocktails. Even without a special setting, cleaning is easy since all you do is add a drop of dish soap in water and let it run for about a minute to clean the blades and container. In fact, when we tested this model in the lab, this was one of the easiest to clean after making peanut butter. It produced a frothy smoothie with a very smooth consistency, and was middle of the road in terms of noise. One downside our lab testers noted was that the motor seemed overworked when processing denser foods. Number 2. Vitamix 5200 Blender Professional Grade. This Vitamix 5200 comes with a tall, slim, 64-ounce container that's perfect for smoothies, purees, and hot soups. It has a variable speed dial that lets you change the speed as you blend, and a pulse button for chunky blending and precise textures. The on-off toggle rounds out the controls. The blades of the machine go so quickly that you can even cook your food while you blend. In as little as 6 minutes, cold ingredients can get heated to steaming, so you don't have to warm up your ingredients beforehand to make a creamy pureed soup. Though we didn't attempt hot soup in the lab, the testers found that this model outperformed all the others when it came to blending peanuts into peanut butter. The taller, skinnier jar was ideal for making smooth nut butter. The mess afterward was exceptionally easy to clean with soap and water, with most of the leftover nut butter concentrated on the blades. Our lab tester noted that the noise level was about average. Number 1. Vitamix 5300 Blender. With a classic, no-fuss design and straightforward features, the 5300 has an on-off toggle, a pulse toggle, and a variable speed dial to precisely control your blending. It comes with a 64-ounce, low-profile container that gives you plenty of space for blending and fits under most kitchen cabinets, so you can tuck it away in the corner of your counter if you don't have a lot of cabinet space. Our lab testers loved how much control they had over the power, even though this isn't digital. During testing, they were blown away by how rich and frothy the smoothie came out, with very little need to scrape down the sides. Like with most models, the wide container caused some issues during the peanut butter test, so larger batches are encouraged.